All right, YouTube, hole in the wall, messy miracle bench, Brooklyn CB shop. Here we got a 94 HP. Let me kill that dimmer right there. Here we got a 94 HP that we did up for the driver, dollar van. And let me see here. Let's see what we got on the meters here. I'm using a Procom stock mic, noise canceling stock mic there. Perfect match for the radio, no doubt about it. All right, here we go. Let's see, I only got two hands here. I'm going to put it on the 100-watt scale. 100-watt scale. I got the RF power knob turned all the way down as far as it'll go. And on the 100-watt scale, about 13 watts. Audio check. Oh, sorry, 100-watt scale ain't big enough. We put it on the 1,000-watt scale. Audio drive, Richie Radio. Audio drive. Audio. Roger beep. Audio drive. Audio check. Audio. Da-da-da-da-da. Alright, now we're going to bump the power knob up one notch. Let me hold the camera with the same mic. Let me see, let's bump it up a little. Just till it shows. Audio drive. Hello. Cool stroke. Audio chest. Audio. Roger D. Richie Radio. Audio drive. Bump it up a little more. Let's bring it to about 10, straight up 12 o'clock. Straight up 12 on the mic. I mean on the power. Audio drive. Wow. Audio drive. Let's see what the dead key is with a straight up 12 o'clock RF power. We know it's modulating about between 150 and 200. About 32 watts with a 12 o'clock power knob, dead key. Let me turn that power knob back down, all the way down. Far down as it'll go. That's as far down as it'll go. Audio drive. Oh, sorry. Audio drive. Well, there you have it, brother. Another radio done by Richie. The king of New York City, baby. Hole in the wall, CB shop. The messiest miracle bench around, but ain't nobody making them sound like me. RC127. Pistol Grip 127 at Gmail. Richie Radio 127 at Gmail. Either one puts you in the cockpit here. I take all major checks. Nah, just kidding. I take all major credit cards. We don't take no checks. All major credit cards with PayPal, no doubt it. Cash, credit card, no doubt. But no checks, guys. Richie Radio, the king of New York.